show you my holiday makeup look. So I wear this makeup during Christmas Day. So if you want to wear this on New Year, it's gonna be a perfect makeup for you. So let's go ahead and go to the tutorial. If you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Of course, welcome to Fabulous You Fun! I already did my foundation and eyebrow, so if you want to see my foundation routine, you can watch my other vlogs. So right now, I'm doing my eyeliner using my own brand. Next is I contour my nose. Now let's contour our face. I will use the Revlon Photo Ready powder, so I mix two shades together. Contour the jawline. Make sure you blend them really well. Don't forget to contour the forehead. Now let's highlight the bridge of the nose. You know the rule, the exclamation point technique. So just create an illusion that you have an exclamation point on your nose to make it slimmer. And for the blush, let's use the Marinade. So this pink shade right here, this is a very light pink blush. It's very nice if you put red lipstick because it's not too powering. Now for the blush, I'd like to apply it from the cheeks, working it upward near your eyes. There, just right there on the temple, just to give your face some lift. Shout out to Dre for my highlighter. She just gave this to me and I love it. This is a nice pink highlighter, very sheer lang, so I like to put it on top of that blush just to give you that Korean glass effect. And then of course, don't forget to apply under the eyebrows and then on your forehead and chin. I'd like to apply 2 layers of different lipstick. So this is from L'Oreal, and this lipstick is really long lasting, so even if I eat a lot, I still have lipstick on. After that, I'd like to apply a darker shade of red. This is from MAC, their holiday collection. It has some glitters and I just love the shade. Super perfect for holiday. Can you see? It's a little matte, but it has shimmer. It has glitter on it, so it's really nice. Now for the eyeshadow, I would like to apply the blush. I applied on my cheeks. Yes, I will use the blush on as the base for my eyeshadow. This is really nice just to match your cheeks and your lips. So let's do a very light eye makeup. Of course, don't forget to apply some eyeshadows on the lower part of your eyes. Just use the same shade that you use on your eyelid. We want to keep the eyeshadow very light because we have a very strong lips already, just to balance the look. Of course, don't forget to highlight the tear duct just to open up your eyes. Tear duct is the inner part of your eyes. To complete the look and make your look more fabulous, of course, don't forget the Fabulous You magnetic eyelash and eyeliner set. This is really nice. So the eyeliner is magnetic as well as the lashes. So you can afford this at fabulousyou.shop on Facebook and Instagram. So this is reusable. You can use the eyeliner up to 30 times, and the lashes, you can keep it forever. This is very lightweight. This is handmade and it looks really natural and very lightweight. Super nice. You have to get one.
Go! Go! Go!
One, two, go! Wala na yan! Wala na, lakas na! You guys are wrong! Just push!
Ikaw, Ate Claire!
Don't move! Kapag ano! Go! A little bit!
Wow! Wow!
Teacher Paul! Teacher Paul!
Go, go, go!
Wala na!
Wow!
Ay, derecho! Yala! Push! Push!
One more, one more. Nana also, Nana also.
Wait!
Woo! Na ano? Kung saan mabagtas? Sa tissue. Walang price yung kabila namin. Walang price yung natin. Wow! Sa kanya hanggang saan na? Wow! Wow! Slowly. Kaya pa, kaya pa. Go, 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 go. Go. Yeah, you can play also. Oh, dancing, dancing. Wow! For the jackpot, wow! Woo!
Everyone win.
Go!
Okay, take it off. Go there. Okay, don't go.